放眼望去，大雪纷飞。对于在机场迟迟搭不到飞机的旅客来说，看了更加头痛。
We were checking on our cell phones with United to see about making sure that the flight hadn't been canceled, and everything that it said on the phone was that it was okay. Once we arrived here at the airport in the terminal, found out that it was canceled.
暴风雪侵袭美国中西部地区，各地机场总共有超过1600多架班机取消。芝加哥的奥黑尔机场取消班机数量就占了90%。当地积雪有33公分厚，几百所学校只能停课1天，30多万户也停电。其他地区像是内布拉斯加州和爱荷华州，铲雪车不停在道路上穿梭，清除积雪，才能早点解除道路封闭措施。
As I get farther south, you can see all the roads that are closed. If it's red, it's all closed. If it's purple, they're completely covered. I might have to get a hotel somewhere up close by, and then hopefully it'll clear out in the morning.
有先见之明的旅客改订火车票，避免回不了家的窘境。
That I'm taking the train so that I can get back to school without having to worry about driving down in the.
不论感恩节假期开始或结束，返乡过节的人都得面临交通折磨。加上天空不作美，预计接下来几天还有更多人没办法回去上班上学，因为暴风雪逐渐往东北方向移动，估计还会有超过1800万人会受影响。大爱新闻郑宇轩编译。